This week in science, new discoveries are expanding our understanding of the universe, life, and our own planet. Astronomers have identified more than 11,000 previously unknown asteroids, offering new insight into the structure and evolution of our solar system. In medicine, a breakthrough gene therapy is restoring hearing in patients within weeks, marking a major step forward in treating genetic conditions at their source. And in the depths of the Coral Sea, researchers have discovered over 100 new marine species, highlighting just how much of Earth's biodiversity remains unexplored. From space to the human body to the deep ocean, humanity has just taken a massive step forward in mapping our solar system. In the early operations of the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, astronomers have discovered over 11,000 previously unknown asteroids, including dozens of near-Earth objects, making it the largest single batch of asteroid discoveries ever recorded in such a short time. The observatory, located in Chile's Atacama Desert, is equipped with one of the most powerful digital cameras ever built. Its enormous 8.4-meter mirror captures wide swaths of the sky with unprecedented clarity, detecting faint, fast-moving points of light that previous surveys often missed. These detections are then analyzed using advanced algorithms that distinguish moving objects from stars and galaxies, a process that involves sifting through billions of data points for tiny, subtle signals. Most of the newly discovered asteroids reside in the main belt between Mars and Jupiter. But some are near-Earth objects, meaning their orbits bring them close to our planet. While none currently pose a threat, knowing their trajectories allows scientists to predict future movements and mitigate any potential risks. Understanding these objects is essential, not only for planetary defense, but also for grasping how our solar system formed and evolved over billions of years. By studying their composition, scientists can reconstruct how planets formed, how collisions and migrations shaped orbital patterns, and even how water and organic materials may have been delivered to Earth. Some asteroids carry metals, silicates, or carbon-rich compounds that offer clues about the building blocks of life. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory is just beginning its mission. As it moves into full survey mode with the Legacy Survey of Space and Time, astronomers anticipate discovering tens of thousands more objects. Each detection not only enriches our knowledge of the solar system, but also underscores a humbling truth. Even in 2026, the skies above us remain a vast, largely unexplored frontier. The universe is far more populated with these small worlds than we had ever imagined, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the story of our cosmic neighborhood. A revolutionary breakthrough in medical science may soon change the lives of millions who suffer from congenital deafness. Researchers have developed a gene therapy capable of restoring hearing in children born with certain genetic mutations, and in some cases, the effects appear within just a few weeks. Unlike traditional interventions, such as hearing aids or cochlear implants, which amplify sound or bypass damaged inner ear mechanisms, this therapy addresses the root biological cause of hearing loss. Using a harmless viral vector, scientists deliver a functional copy of the defective gene directly into the sensory hair cells of the inner ear. These hair cells are responsible for translating sound vibrations into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. Early clinical trials have been remarkable. Children who had previously been unable to detect even basic sounds began responding to auditory stimuli within weeks. Parents reported children reacting to voices for the first time, turning toward music, and even imitating simple sounds. These results are more than anecdotal. Detailed audiological tests confirmed measurable improvements in hearing thresholds. Beyond immediate benefits, this therapy represents a paradigm shift in medicine. By correcting the underlying genetic defect, it opens the door to treating a wide range of inherited conditions at their source, rather than simply managing symptoms. scientists are cautiously optimistic, noting that long-term monitoring is required to ensure the therapy's durability and safety. Nonetheless, the implications are profound. This approach demonstrates the potential of precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. For children born deaf, this therapy doesn't just restore hearing. It offers a chance to fully engage with the world, experience language, and connect with others in ways previously thought impossible. Even on Earth, there are frontiers yet to be fully explored. In a recent expedition to the Coral Sea Marine Park, east of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, scientists documented over 110 previously unknown species of fish and invertebrates, revealing a world of life largely untouched by humans. The expedition spanned more than a month, utilizing advanced submersibles and remote-operated vehicles to reach ocean depths ranging from 200 to 3,000 meters, zones where sunlight barely penetrates and the pressure is crushing. In these extreme conditions, life has adapted in astonishing ways. Among the new discoveries were skates, cat sharks, deep-sea rays, ghost sharks, sponges, brittle stars, and delicate sea anemones. Many displayed unique adaptations, such as bioluminescence, specialized fins, or elongated sensory organs to navigate the dark waters. These discoveries do more than catalog new species. They fill critical gaps in our understanding of marine biodiversity and ecosystem dynamics. Scientists can now study how these animals interact, how they reproduce, and how they survive under extreme environmental conditions. Each organism represents a piece of a vast, interconnected web of life that has evolved over millions of years. The findings also underscore the urgency of ocean conservation. Rising temperatures, overfishing, and potential deep-sea mining threaten these fragile ecosystems. Discovering new species is not just an academic exercise. It provides vital data that can inform protection measures, helping humanity preserve the incredible diversity that exists in these hidden depths. For scientists and the public alike, the Coral Sea expedition is a reminder that even in a modern, highly mapped world, nature still holds profound surprises. The ocean remains a frontier of discovery, a realm where exploration continues to reveal species, ecosystems, and adaptations that challenge our understanding of life on Earth. Each new species adds to the story of the ocean, painting a picture of resilience, diversity, and the enduring mystery of our planet's underwater worlds. Thanks for joining us this week, and stay tuned for more videos like this. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And let us know in the comments which scientific discovery was your favorite.